friend, how are you? Today I'm very happy to introduce our thermal weapon sight with the laser rangefinder function, the performance in daylight. Okay, as you see, now in our city is a sunny day. And my colleague holds the thermal imager thermal weapon sight to aim some person and vehicles. And we connect this cable with the display to show you the very clear real-time image. Okay, you can see. 哎呀，你把那个对准人，找一个人就对准那个车。
车吧。
Yeah, we can see the vehicles and bicycles 自行车 is very very clear. 然后你摁一下左边那个键，左 M 后面 M 边左边那个键。
往左。
对，哦对对对。Yeah, now open the laser rangefinder function. We can see the distance show the center of the display. 你把那个瞄准到那个车好不好？就往车上瞄。Yeah, we can see the 75M. OK, 你去摁一下 M 下面的那个 M 后面那个键，往下的那个箭头。再摁一下。Yeah, you can see the color mode is changing. Now it's blank out. OK, 再往下摁。Red out， 再往下摁。color out， 再往下。Sky， 再往下。White out. OK, you can see it's very very clear. Please notice at first all of the thermal imaging and the laser cannot through the glasses, so we need to open the windows. In addition, if you want to use it in daylight, it's okay, no any problem, but do not towards the thermal weapon sight to strong light such as the sun. Okay, any question, just contact me. Thank you.